So today I'm going to do things a little different. I want to drop some food for thought, if you will, as it relates to why owning a home in 2025 is more important than ever. Also, 10 smart ways you can potentially use your tax refund. It is tax season, and if you're getting a refund to buy your home in 2025. Now, this information may not be new for some, but I do believe it's going to be beneficial, especially to my first-time home buyers and hopefully everyone in between. So stick around to the end. You may actually get some insight that you were not aware of. Welcome back. And as always, if you're thinking about moving to Maryland, but you're not quite sure what county, what city, or even suburb would best fit you or your family, well, today is a little bit different because we're not going to tour neighborhoods or homes, but I really want to talk a little bit about owning a home in 2025, how important it is, more than ever, I believe, and also 10 smart ways that you may be able to use your tax return or tax refund to purchase your home in 2025. Oh, and just in case you don't know, my name is Sabrina. I am your Maryland and DC Realtor. And if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say thank you so much for being here. And look, if you want to know everything there is to know about living in Maryland, DC, and the surrounding counties, I would love for you to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications because I make videos like this all the time. And I really want you to be the first to know what's happening right here in the current real estate market. I get calls, I get texts and emails from people all the time looking to relocate or even move within the Maryland and DC area. I absolutely love it. So look, whether you're looking to move in 30 days or in 3 months, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you make that magical move right here to Maryland. So we're here, we're in 2025, and I know some of you have been on the fence about purchasing for a number of reasons. And look, I get it. Interest rates, I get it. But as you know, owning a home isn't just about having a place to live. It's about building long-term wealth. It's about creating stability and securing your financial future in an ever-changing, strange world. With rent prices continuing to rise and home values steadily appreciating, I really believe buying a home now could be one of the smartest financial decisions that you can make. So building wealth and equity. Instead of paying rent to someone else, right? Home ownership allows you to build equity. It's a powerful asset that grows over time. Every mortgage payment brings you one step closer to owning your property outright, increasing your net worth along the way. Also, take advantage of the market opportunities. In 2025, interest rates may fluctuate. They always have, right? But getting in at the right time could mean securing a better deal on your mortgage before prices rise even further. Plus, with first-time home buyer programs, down payment assistance programs, and tax benefits, there are more opportunities than ever to make home ownership a reality for you. Interest rates have always fluctuated. That's not going to change. The last few years, I know, have been different, right? This is post-pandemic. The pandemic, interest rates were really low, and I say that was an anomaly. People are still looking for those rates. Probably won't ever go back there. But at the end of the day, they're going to fluctuate. So if you're really ready to purchase a home, you can't really let that deter you. And I say that because at the end of the day, no matter what the interest rates are, and I wish I had a crystal ball and I can say, hey, this is what the rate is going to be. I think all of us wish that. At the end of the day, homes continue to appreciate. Housing prices will continue to increase. So whether you purchase your home this year and let's say the rate is a little higher than you want it to be, or you wait next year and the home price is higher, but the rate is just a little bit lower, you really got to think about that and weigh your options and see what works best for you. But at the end of the day, if you are willing, ready, and able to purchase a home, my suggestion is to purchase your home now. So another thing is creating stability and freedom. Owning a home gives you control over your living space No more rent hikes or sudden evictions or limitations on how you personalize your space. Look, whether you're starting a family, whether you're investing in your future, or just ready to finally put down some roots, homeownership provides the security and freedom that renting simply cannot. And I hear this all the time. Think about it. Your home is your home. You want to do with it what you want to do with it. You want it to look how you want it to look. And you know there are limitations when you're renting versus when it's your home. I can paint it any color I want. I can change the carpet. I can put hardwood floors down. But again, that is one of the freedoms of owning your own home. I truly believe that home ownership is a smart investment for the future. Historically, real estate is one of the most reliable investments you can make. As home values continue to rise, your property could become a valuable asset that appreciates over time, providing financial security for years to come. Okay, so it's tax season. Let's talk about that tax return that you may get, or some of us you may not get. But either way, let's talk about that, because you could actually use your tax refund to help you purchase a home. Now, I know when we get a tax return, it's so many things that, we may want. It's a lot of things that we put off, these trinkets and all the stuff that we want to treat ourselves to. But what better way to use your tax return or your tax refund than to help you purchase that home that you've been wanting? Let's check out some of these ways. Boost your down payment. A bigger down payment means lower monthly payments and possibly a better mortgage rate. Even an extra maybe $5,000 to $10,000 from your refund could make a big difference in what you actually qualify for. Also, pay down debt to improve your credit score. So lenders actually look at your debt to income ratio, and too much debt can hurt your mortgage approval. So this way you can use your tax refund to pay off credit cards or loans, and watch when you do that, your credit score start to rise. Cover your closing cost. Closing costs can add up to 2% to 5% of your home's purchase price, depending on the loan type. Instead of stressing over where that money will come from, use your tax return. That could actually take care of it. Another thing is start and grow your emergency fund. Buying a home means unexpected costs and repairs and maintenance and all kinds of stuff. A solid emergency fund helps you to be more prepared if anything like that happens. And when I tell you things happen, they do. Another thing is to get pre-approved for a mortgage. You need to do that first anyway. Many buyers wait until they find a home and get pre-approved, but you'll have more power in negotiations if you're already pre-approved. And trust me, you can use part of that refund to cover any fees associated with that process. And if I'm your agent, which I hope I am, we'll be pre-approved before we even look at any houses. Another thing is cover moving expenses. Moving is not cheap. Rental trucks, deposits, utility transfer, it all adds up. Planning ahead, setting aside tax refund money can help you move stress-free. You have to invest in home inspections and appraisal. Those are out-of-pocket costs, right? A home inspection and appraisal are a must, right? A home inspection typically costs maybe between $300, $400 to $500, and appraisals can be upwards of $700. Your tax refund can cover these important costs. Number 8, saving for renovations and repairs. Buying a fixer-upper if that's what you're doing, or just want to make some updates. A fresh coat of paint, new floors, we talked about that, even small repairs, all can be covered with that tax return. And of course, work with a real estate agent who knows the market, me. Having an experienced agent like myself can save you thousands of dollars and help you find the best deals. Your refund could help you cover buyer-related costs and consultation fees if needed. Number 10, you want to lock in the best interest rates. Mortgage rates fluctuate, as we talked about, but some lenders allow you to pay points or pay your loan down, pay your points down. This could save you thousands over the life of your loan. Another great way to use that tax return strategically. Ready to make that move? If you've been thinking about buying a home right here in Maryland or relocating in 2025, this could be your year. Let's put together the right strategy, a solid plan, and me as your experienced real estate professional right by your side. We can turn your dream of home ownership into a reality. Well, that's all I have. I really hope this information helped you in some small way, right? So if you've been looking or anticipating or desiring to purchase your home, 2025 may just be your year. Look, I would love for you to like, subscribe, and tap that bell notification so that you can be the first to know everything there is to know about the current market right here in the Maryland, D.C. area. Again, my information is below. Don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye for now.